Every action you take begins inside your brain. Before you move, speak, or even think, your brain is already working behind the scenes. When you open your eyes, light enters and instantly turns into electrical signals. Your brain processes those signals and creates the images you see in real time. When you hear a sound, vibrations travel through your ears. Your brain translates them into words, music, or meaning within milliseconds. Touch, heat, pain, and pressure are detected by sensors in your body and sent straight to the brain for interpretation. Now comes the decision. Your brain compares information, predicts outcomes, and chooses the best response, faster than you can notice. Once a decision is made, signals travel down the spinal cord and through nerves to your muscles. This is how movement happens. Your hand moves. Your body reacts. When you focus, specific regions of your brain become highly active, blocking distractions and sharpening attention. When you learn something new, your brain creates fresh neural connections, new pathways of knowledge. The more you repeat a task, the stronger and faster these connections become. This is how memory is formed and skills are mastered. When faced with a problem, your brain analyzes multiple options at once and selects the most efficient solution. Stress can overload the system, causing signals to become chaotic and less effective. But rest restores balance. Sleep allows the brain to repair, reset, and recharge. Even when you're multitasking, your brain rapidly switches between tasks, keeping everything under control. Your brain works every second of your life, controlling movement, thoughts, emotions, and decisions. It is the most powerful system you own. Understand it, protect it, train it. For more science-backed health content like this, subscribe to Health Hub.